inside already?
Yep.
Yes.
Galwing.
Okay, just entered. Opposite, what's the opposite?
I don't know which one is. Opposite. No, not. No, not.
Galwing. Bugbugin natin Galwing para kay Chu. Oh, is this Tiger? Or Tor? I think this is Tor.
Nothing there.
Galwing, who is the other one? Is it this Elites? Oh, Grizzlies? Okay.
Grizzlies.
Yeah,
Opposite is
Tor.
Tor. Okay. We have to win this, guys, huh?
Two, pago.
For
Basta.
everyone, please bring Vision Syrup on the first clash. I don't want people to be hiding and then sneak to our MVP. Always bring Vision Syrup. Click build B, one for each. Okay, Saki Grass Juice also.
Patay tayo sa'yo, Asi.
13 seconds. Everyone go to the platform. Okay. Go. Run. Party of Chu, I want you to camp Galwing. Oh, they have a lot of They have a lot of elf. Fight, get coffee up. You have to win the first MVP. Okay, camp them now. Flo. Push them to the platform. MVP spread out, please. Wait prayer DPS, guys. Pass. Go to their junction. Go to their junction. Don't fight on the stairs. Claw. Galvin got an Earth MVP. Party of Chu and Party of Catboy Kyle. I want you to camp Galwing, that is the blue one, and break them afterwards. Camp them at the junction and break them afterwards. S1 ace. Very good ace. Yeah, party of also Catboy. Sorry. Iba na pala yung name ng Catboy. Ju something. Tangin ang name yan.
Uncle JJ.
Okay, JJ. Klo, for now, camp the opposite side. And then, just camp them and then break them also afterwards. Apex 2, go to our base now, Vision Sweep. Apex 1, I want you to get the near side, the red one. Sofra.
Offline si Chu.
어찌 기별도 없이 여기까지 있었사옵니까?
Party of Catboy and party of JJ and Chu, I want you to break Galwing, please.
인주를 가까이 하는 것이 먹을 가까이 하는 검색하였어. 그 말은 뜻이 가장 가까이 있는 사람
Chut.
표정에 있는 그런 존재가
부모님이십니다. 테라프 지금의 다시 직분을
Break Galwing,
Nice one.
Break Galwing now. All Klo, go to the middle.
첫 번째 스승. 다른 마음가짐과 행동가짐.
Nice one, Tsunamis. All Klo, take the middle. Discipline, guys.
참여한 자야.
Oh, Galwing is already taking the crystals. Olclo, take the middle. Party of Chu and JJ, break them. Summon to the middle, Olclo.
자취했어.
Summon to the middle, Olclo. All Apex, go take the far side. Cut cafe up. Expel them, expel them. Apex 1, Apex 1. Take 3 o'clock. Cut cafe up.
함께 지내다 보니 속이 꽉 찬 즐겁고
Last
Go for
one
the
still
middle.
clear.
Hindi kaya, Chu. Kyle, hindi kaya. I break Galwing. Cannot do.
어찌하십니까?
Okay, all claw, get ready. Galwing is still at the middle. Wipe them, we will wipe them.
말도 안 됩니다.
우리 선배님은 다른 일 하나 없으시.
Apex 1, just hold the 3 o'clock, please. Apex 1, hold the 3 o'clock.
저를 일하시는 걸 제가 직접 했습니다. 나 군에 사는 사람입니다.
Okay, everyone, run 9 o'clock and then summon. No, they're getting the middle already. Clock at cafe up.
Bowa ready, MVP. Nice one. Last
All
one.
bowa.
Tang ina mo gago.
Bowa ng MVP killers. Go 9 o'clock.
Copy.
We're investing already too much. They're just copying 9 o'clock. All bowa ng MVP killers. Go 9 o'clock. Go middle now. Apex 1. Go middle Apex 1. Apex and claw. Oh, they got
9 o'clock Bowa.
Apex 1 and claw go middle.
It's fine, Shara.
Take it. Take the middle. And then after that one, we will run to Galwin and break them.
Bowa taking 9, pushing.
After you take 9, can you push to the junction of Galwin and camp them?
Copy.
Piping-pong tayo. One more MVP, guys.
We're winning.
Nice one. Good job. Oy,
Good job,
nag-second pa
Jack.
sila. Second pa sila, sayang. Anyway, good game. Pangit ang debut ng bomber ko. Supot ang puta. 0-10. GG, well played, guys.